The news tonight, an officer at LAX placed on administrative leave and a search warrant has been issued after a young woman told police she was sexually assaulted at the airport. Gigi Graciette has the story.
The disturbing allegations against a Los Angeles airport police officer are spelled out in a police report and search warrant. According to the 25-year-old passenger, her ordeal started the moment she got to the airport, right here at security, when a uniformed police officer waved her over, saying to her, quote, "I just wanted to see that sexy ass walk over here." And she claims he said it in front of another policeman. The woman and her friends quickly left, going to the gate to wait for their flight, but the officer followed, ordering her to come with him, and she reluctantly did. Now, the girl's friends, the people she was traveling with, told investigators that when the officer came to take her away, they tried to follow. They wanted to go with her, but he told them to stay back. The passenger told detectives the officer took her through various security doors down to the first floor of the airport, telling her she was getting a tour because she was the sexiest girl he had seen. Now, a key piece of evidence in this case is a key card that the victim claims the officer had to swipe to be able to get into that restricted area. And police have confirmed that the officer in question did use his security card at the exact time she said he did. And in the back of the airport, in an area she describes in detail, she says the officer sexually molested her. The details too graphic to talk about on TV. But afterwards, she says he insisted on buying her a shrimp fajita, and in his own writing, gave her his name and phone number, telling her he'd like to fly her to California again. That piece of paper now considered evidence. It's important to note that the officer being accused has not been arrested or charged, but a separate investigation has been opened up here at Airport PD, and it's not into whether he broke the law or not, it's into his behavior while on duty. We know the officer's name, but the airport, they won't even utter it, saying only that an accused police employee was ordered to remain at home and not to report to work for the duration of the investigation. The officer's lawyer told us he has no comment, while the district attorney confirmed they are reviewing the case, but still need more information. At LAX, Gigi Graciette, Fox 11 News.
More shocking testimony.